Solving problems or solving simple problems is the new chapter, and this chapter is based on quadratic equations. So they will give you a situation or they will give you a problem, and you will have to make the statement. You will have to make the mathematical statement, and that mathematical statement will be a quadratic equation, and you have to solve the quadratic equation. So that is what you are doing in this problem. So here the key thing is how to make the given situation or given information. How can you convert it into mathematical statement? Okay, so let's start with doing first example. That is, find two natural numbers which differ by 3 and the sum of whose squares is 170. So here first statement is two natural numbers which differ by 3. Okay, so one number is x and the other number is going to be x plus 3, right? They differ by 3 means the difference is just 3. Now sum of whose squares are given. Sum of the squares are 117. That also you know how to do it. So let one of the number, you can start the answer by writing, let one of the number be x. Then the second number x plus 3, right? The difference between two numbers is 3 means the second number is going to be x plus 3. Now sum of whose squares means first number is x, its square, plus second number is x plus 3, its square. That gives you 117. So this is the mathematical statement that you are making. Expand x plus 3 the whole square. X plus 3 the whole square follows a plus b the whole square formula. So what is a plus b the whole square?
A squared plus b squared plus 2ab, right?
Yes, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This identity is what you have to use to expand x plus 3 the whole square. So you will get x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 117. Now solve it. Plus 9 minus 117 equal to 0. Now you have a quadratic equation. 2x square plus 6x minus, what is it? 108 equal to 0 is what I am getting. So when I am getting 108, look at this. Each and every term is a multiple of 2. So divide this by 2. You get x square plus 3x minus 54 is equal to 0. Okay. Now think of, you can do middle term splitting. If you want to go with the formula, which is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, you can do that. Or if you want to just go with the factorization approach, find the factors of 54 and see, even that is fine. So you can think of these two options and then see. The factors p and q are 9 and 6. Then what is the condition? P into q is AC, which is 54. Okay, so here it is going to be, I need minus 54. So one of this has to be negative. So I am making 6 negative. Now P plus Q should be, if I do 9 plus minus 6, I'm getting 3, which is B. That's correct. So 9 comma negative 6 are the factors. So I can safely write it like that. X square plus 9x minus 6x minus 54 equal to 0. Take out x plus 9 minus 6 out, x plus 9 equal to 0. So the factors are x plus 9 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So the value that x can take are minus 9 and positive 6. Right? So minus 9 and positive 6 are the numbers that you can think of. But there is a problem. The problem is when you say natural numbers, what are natural numbers? Anything above 0, right? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, those whole numbers. I mean, when I say whole numbers include 0 also, but natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So negative 9 you cannot include, right? So since negative 9 is not a natural number, x is equal to 6. Okay, therefore numbers are, which are the numbers? 6 and 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? That is 9. So these are the numbers. Next question is 5 times a certain whole number is equal to 3 less than twice the square of the number. So what we will do first is let x be the number. Just consider that. Let x be the number. Now, what is the description given about the number? 5 times a certain whole number. So 5 times x is equal to 3 less than twice the square of the number. So 3 less than twice the square of the number. Twice the square of the number. Okay, twice the square. From twice the square of the number, you need to subtract 3. That's the meaning. Okay, so 5 times a certain whole number is equal to 3 less than twice the square of the number. Find the number. So once you made this mathematical statement, then it is easy for you to solve it. So bring 5x to other side. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. This again, you can think of factorizing because AC is 2 into minus 3, which is minus 6. B is minus 5. Okay. So the factors are 3 and 2. Minus 6 and 1 will be the factors because minus 6 plus 1 will give you minus 5, which is B. Minus 6 into 1 will give you minus 6, which is my AC. Okay, so minus 6 and 1 are the factors. Minus 6x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x out, x minus 3 plus x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 is common. Take out that. So x is equal to 3 or 2, or I will write x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we need whole number. So negative 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So you cannot consider negative 1 by 2. So you can say x is equal to 3 since x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Maybe you can write this in a bracket and x is equal to 3 only you need to consider. So which is the number? The required number is going to be 3. Okay. So next question is sum of two natural numbers is 8 and the difference of their reciprocals is 2 by 15. Find the natural numbers. So sum of two natural numbers is 8 means what you will do is let the numbers be x and y. Okay, so x plus y is 8. Then what is y? Can you write y as 8 minus x? Because you know here you need equation in one variable. Okay, you can't have x and y going ahead. So if you want to solve, if you want to solve the equation, then it has to be only one equation in only one quadratic equation. So here when they say sum of two numbers is 8, you just, for the first statement, you just take it as x plus y equal to 8. Then you express the second number in terms of y, the first number. Okay, so that's how y equal to 8 minus x. So which are your numbers? X and 8 minus x are your numbers now. Okay, therefore x and 8 minus x are the two natural numbers. Fine. Now, difference of their reciprocals is 2 by 15. Difference of their reciprocals means which one will you write first? So 1 by x minus 1 by 8 minus x is equal to, reciprocal means this, right? 1 by x minus 1 by 8 minus x is going to be 2 by 15. Now cross multiply. 8 minus x divided by x into 8 minus x equal to 2 by 15. 8 minus x equal to, okay, into 15 also is required. On the other side, I will have 2 into 2x into 8 minus x. Right? Now, 15 into 8. What is 15 into 8? 120 minus 30x equal to, here I am having 16x minus 2x square. 2x square minus 16x minus 30x plus 120 equal to 0. This gives me 2x square minus 46x plus 120 equal to 0. So this I will again divide by 2 because everything is a multiple of 2. X square minus 23x plus 60 equal to 0. This is also very easy. 20 and 3. Minus 20 and minus 3 are going to be the factors. So you can write x minus 20x minus 3x plus 60 equal to 0. So x, sorry, this is x square, okay. So x into x minus 20 minus 3 into x minus 20 equal to 0. X minus 20 is common, take that out. What are you left with? X minus 3. So x is equal to 20 or 3. When x is equal to 3, so 8 minus x would be 5, right? Second number. 8 minus x, which is 5. That is okay. Now, when x is equal to 20, second number is 8 minus 20 is minus 12, right? This is not a natural number. Minus 12 is not a natural number. You cannot include that combination there. Therefore, the required numbers are 3 and 5. Next question is, for the same amount of work, A takes 6 hours less than B. Okay, less than B. A takes 6 hours less than B. If together they complete the work in, together means A and B together completes the work in 13 hours 20 minutes. Find how much time will B alone will take to complete the work. You need to know B alone. How much time B alone will take to complete the work. Okay, so here what they have given is 6 hours less than B. A takes 6 hours less than B. That means B is relatively slower while doing the work, right? A is faster than B. That's the meaning. So what we will do? We will take, let X be, let B takes X hours to complete that work. X hours to complete the work. So, work A takes 6 hours less than B. So, how much time A will take? A takes 6 hours less means X minus 6 hours to complete the work. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, first you write that. B. What is the meaning of 13 hours, 20 minutes? 13 hours, you either convert into minutes or convert into hours, okay? Because now it's a mix of hours and minutes. So 13 hours, 20 minutes can be written as either you write 13, 20 by 60. What is 20 by 60? I am converting 20 by 60 in hours. So 13, 20 by 16 is not, 60 is nothing but 13, 1 by 3, right? So 13, 1 by 3, you convert into a normal number, improper fraction. What do you get? 39 plus 1 is 40. 40 divided by 3 hours is what you are getting. You have to convert either into hours or into minutes, okay? Don't, it's better to convert into hours because they are talking about A is, 6 hours less than B. So when they are mentioning 6 hours less than B, it is better to, talk A's work, B's work, and A and B's combined work in terms of hours itself. Okay, so that's the reason why 13 hours 20 minutes is converted into completely into hours, which is 40 by 3 hours. In the work completed by B in 1 hour, what would be that? In 1 hour, how much work B would complete? Is it not 1 by x? You have certain work, you need 6 hours, assuming 1 is the work. 1 is the complete work. Consider this is the work. Okay, consider this as 1. So if, and this requires x hours to complete. X hours to complete certain task. So in 1 hour, how much work he will complete? In 1 hour, how much work he will complete? That work divided by number of hours, is it not? To study 100%. Okay, many things you need to complete. Consider that as one full textbook. 1 is the work. You need 6 hours to complete one full textbook. Assuming, okay, if you need 6 hours to complete one full textbook, so how much you will complete in 1 hour? Is it not 1 by 6? Is it not 1 by 6?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are getting that logic. So that's what you're doing. What is the total work? Total work divided by number of hours. That much work you will complete in 1 hour. Got it? Total work divided by number of hours required to complete the work. Okay, that is the work done in 1 hour. So the work completed by B in 1 hour is 1 by x. So what will be the work completed by A in 1 hour? What is that? How much work is completed by A in 1 hour? A takes x minus 6 hours. So 1 by x minus 6 is the work done by the work done in 1 hour. Understood? Similarly, I want to also do the work done by, the work completed by A and B together in 1 hour. What would be that? 1 divided by 40 by 3. Getting me? How many hours it is they are taking to complete the work? A and B together takes 40 by 3 hours, right? So the work completed by A and B together in 1 hour is 1 divided by 40 by 3, which is nothing but 3 by 40. Work completed by A is 1 by x minus 6, plus work completed by B is equal to 3 by 40, right? So it's like the work, I am equating it, the work completed by A and B in 1 hour. I am just equating it. That's what I'm doing here, okay? So 1 by x minus 6 plus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 40. So let's cross multiply. So this is our equation. This is what we are going to convert into a quadratic equation. X plus x minus 6 divided by x into x minus 6 is equal to 3 by 40. This gives me 2x minus 6 into 40 equal to 3 times x into x minus 6. 80x minus 240 equal to 3x square minus 18. 3x square minus 18x minus 80x plus 240 equal to 0. Now 3x square minus 98x plus 240 equal to 0. What is AC? AC is 240 into 3. Its factors you have to figure out. That will be 720. I can say if P comma Q are the factors minus 90 comma minus 8, then I am just checking whether minus 90 into minus 8 is it equal to AC equal to 720. Then minus 90 plus minus 8 equal to B equal to minus 98. So the conditions are all satisfying. So let's write it. 3x square minus 90x minus 8x plus 240 is 0. Take 3 out. X minus 30 minus 8 out. X minus 30 equal to 0. So therefore x minus 30 is common. 3, okay, here I have to put an x. Okay, I missed that. X minus 30 is out. 3x minus 8 equal to 0. So what do I have? X equal to 30 or x is equal to 8 by 3. So these are the numbers. X is equal to 8 by 3 is not considered. Why? Why am I not considering? Since A takes 8 by 3 minus 6, which will be a negative number, right? Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is less than 0. Because of that I am not, because I cannot give a negative number for time taken. Time taken by A has to be positive, right? I hope you are understanding this. A finishes the work much faster. So you cannot consider this. So x is equal to 8 by 3 is not considered. 6x, since A takes 8 by 3 minus 6 hours to complete the task. Then what? Okay, therefore, B takes 30 hours to complete the work. That's it. Next question. Geometrical figures related, okay? The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 13 centimeter and the difference between the other two sides is 7 centimeter. So basically you have a right angle triangle and here the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Difference between the other two sides means one side is x and the other side is x plus 7. That's all what you need to understand, okay? So the difference between the other two sides are 7 means one is x and the other one is x plus 7. Taking x as the length of the shorter of the two sides, write the equation in x that represents the above statement and also solve the equation to find the two unknown sides. So we know this Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean equation we know, which is x square plus x plus 7 the whole square equal to 13 square. This is as per Pythagoras theorem, this is our formula, right? So just put the numbers here. X square plus 14x plus 49 equal to 169, which will be 2x square plus 14x minus 120, I believe, equal to 0. 169 minus 49 will be 20, no? You divide by 2, you are having x square plus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. So what are the numbers? You should get plus 7, and here it is negative. Okay, so I think it could be 12 into 5 is 60, right? You're getting that? Yes. So 12 and minus 5 could be the factors. Okay, just try whether it is the one. 12 into minus 5 is minus 60. That's correct. 12, it is 7. 12 plus 12 minus 5 is 7. Yes. So this is my B, this is my AC. So condition is satisfied. So x square minus plus 12x minus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. Here it is x, you take x out, x plus 12 minus 5 out, x plus 12 equal to 0. So x plus 12 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 12 and x is equal to 5. So you cannot have length of a side negative number. Okay. So x is equal to 5 as x is equal to minus 12 is rejected. Rejected because sides cannot be negative length. Okay. So that is the reason why we are considering x as 5. So if x is 5, what is the other side? The other side or second side is going to be x plus 5, x plus 7, which is 5 plus 7, which is 12 centimeter. Write this unit also. The length of a veranda is 3 meter more than its breadth. The numerical value of its area is equal to numerical value of its perimeter. Okay. Taking x as the breadth of the veranda, write the equation in x that represents the above statement. Solve the equation obtained in 1 above and hence find the dimensions of the veranda. So we are considering the veranda as a rectangular thing, a rectangular area. So maybe rectangular area, fine. So here the length of the veranda is 3 meter more than its breadth. If breadth is x, length is going to be x plus 3 meter. Okay, these are in meters. The numerical value of its area is equal to numerical value of its perimeter. So basically what they are saying is, in this case, area is equal to perimeter. That is also given to you. So let's take, let x be the, they have told us to take x as the breadth. X be breadth. Then x into x plus 3. This is the formula to calculate area, right? L into B is the formula to calculate area. And perimeter is 2 times L plus B. Is it not? Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times L plus B. And area is L into B. So just equate that formula. So what do you get? X square plus 3x is equal to 2 times 2x plus 3, which is 4x plus 6. What you get here is x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. And you have x minus 2 and 3 would be the 2 and minus 3 are going to be the factors. Okay. So x minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So x square here. X into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 out. X plus 2 equal to 0. So x is 3 or x is equal to minus 2. So here I cannot consider x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 3 meter only I can consider. So therefore breadth is 3 meter. Length is 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 6 meter. Sixth one. The perimeter of a rectangle is 104 meter and its area is 640 meters square. Find its length and breadth. How do you find it? Perimeter means 2 times L plus B is 104. So L plus B is 52. Yeah, 52 meter. Now area means L into B. L into B. L into B is 640. I have two equations here, right? One is L plus B is 52 meter. So can I write B as 52 minus L? So in the place of B, I will substitute 52 minus L equal to 640. Understood? In the place of B, put B equal to 52 minus L in equation 1, which is my equation 1. This is my equation 1. Okay, so I'm in the place of B, I am putting 52 minus L. So 52L minus L square equal to 640. Or in other words, L square minus 52L plus 640 equal to 0. So L square and 52 I'm taking to the other side, okay? L square minus 52L plus 640 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize. 640 is, we have to take it and factorize 640. So if you're not getting any factors quickly, just go with our, what is the formula? X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A approach.
We can take 32 and 20.
Must be 32 and 20 looks correct, okay, but I did not get it at that time. So spend 1 minute in finding the factor. If you are not getting the factor, immediately go with the formula because you already know, you already have a formula. Okay, so go with, I'll since I have started with that, I'll just go with this. B square minus 4AC is going to be, B square is 52 square minus 4 into A is 1 into C is 640. So what is 52 square? You should have a proper working area. What is 52 square? Calculate that. 52 into 52 is 2704 minus, what is 640 into 4? That is 2560. What is that? It's 144. So luckily it's a perfect square, and B square minus 4 is a perfect square. Okay, so your work is not that difficult. So L is minus B. Minus B is what is my minus B? Minus B is 52 plus or minus B square minus 4AC square root is root of 144 divided by 2A. A is 1 here. I hope you all know this. L equal to 1. Here A and C, all that, no? What you need to do? What is your A here? A is 1, B is minus 52, C is 640. Okay. So these are the 2 into A means 2 into 1. So I am having 52 plus 12 by 2 and 52 minus 12 by 2. So my numbers are going to be 64 by 2 and 40 by 2. So it's going to be 32 and 20. The value of L can be 32 and 20. Okay. Both are positive numbers. Find the length and breadth. So when L equal to 32, what is our breadth that you go ahead and calculate? When L equal to 20, what is B that you need to calculate? L plus B is 52. So what is B? 52
20.
minus 32, which is 20. So here 52 minus 20, that is 32. Make sure you write the units. It's meter. Okay, 32 meter. Here also write meter. So this is your final answer. A positive number is divided into two parts such that the sum of the squares of the two parts is 20. The square of the larger part is 8 times the smaller part. Taking x as the smaller part, of the two parts. Find the number. Here, you are given a positive number and that is divided into two equal parts. What they have informed you is the sum of the squares of two parts is 20. That is one information that you have. Let x be the smaller part and y be the larger part. Fine. So what is given to you? The square of the larger part. Square of the larger part means y square. The square of the larger part is 8 times the smaller part. So y square is 8 times the smaller part. Sum of the squares of the two parts, that is x square plus y square, is equal to 20. This is also given to you. So what you need to do now? Put y square equal to 8x. Okay, so when you put y square equal to 8x, your equation will become x square plus 8x equal to 20. Now bring it to the left hand side. Minus 20 equal to 0. So how do you get 8x? Think of the factors that will give you minus 20. So here A is 1, B is 8, and C is minus 20. So factorize minus 20. AC is negative 20. The factor pairs could be positive 10 and minus 2, because 10 into minus 2 gives me minus 20, which is AC, and 10 plus minus 2 is 8, which is B. So these are the two conditions which need to be satisfied for middle term splitting, right? So how do you rewrite this equation? X square plus 10x minus 2x minus 20 equal to 0. Take out x, you have x plus 10, minus 2 out, you have x plus 10 inside equal to 0. Now x plus 10 is common, take that out, you are left with x minus 2 equal to 0. So the values that x can take are negative 10 or x is equal to plus 2. Okay, so x equal to negative 10 I am excluding. When x is equal to 2, what do you know? Y square equal to 8x, right? So y square is 8 into 2, which is 16. So what is y? Y is going to be 4. Therefore, larger part is 4 and smaller part is 2. Therefore, the number is 6. Okay, how did I get 6? I added 4 plus 2 gives me 6.